Well, hello everyone, and welcome to a new weekly overview for this week. The week that passed already at the end was good, but during the week the volume was very slow for a swing trade. This created less certainty when it comes to the trend. We didn't see like big trends moving, but that's okay. We'll see this week what we will have. And let's start our study. First, we start by the calendar. Let's see what we have for next week. We have for next week USD Tuesday 6 p.m. consumer confidence, Wednesday 5:30 a.m. Dubai time GMT plus 4. All these timings are Dubai time GMT plus 4. كل هالأوقات بوقت دبي GMT زائد 4. CPI quarterly and CPI yearly on Australian dollar. For people in the Australian dollar also, you have to be careful. USD advanced GDP quarterly 4:30 p.m. Thursday. And we have the Bank of Japan Friday. Oh, all the day will be a day for Japan mainly, and Euro, German premium CPI all day. So next Friday also will be a volatile day. 4:30 p.m. GDP monthly Canadian, core PCE price index, and employment cost index on USD. So next week also we'll have some news that will push the market towards more volatility. الأسبوع الجاي يكون منيح، رح يتحرك الماركت مفروض بشكل طبيعي، نبلش نرجع نشوف الفوليوم إذا الله راد بشكل أحسن. So here we have the Dow Jones, we have this support, we have the daily. As you can see on the daily we are facing a divergence. شايفين بالديلي عنا divergence. We have high, higher high. Also we have high, lower high here, breaking already CCI, breaking already percentage R. So here we are still waiting, to be honest, to break this short position. We're still waiting to break this one. We have the potential sell. And let's see on Fibonacci. Here we have the 23. We have the 23.6. We have the 38.2, 50%, 61.8, all these potential reversal. But first 33,628, 33,628, stop loss around 33,700. 628, 618, the scalp TP1. TP2 will be the 23%, 33,520. Always let's stay a little bit above the support. TP3 will be 33,310, and TP4 33,150 to be on the safe side. 38.2 ال 31.2 ممكن نشوفها عم تنزل وترجع تكمل طلع. So we might see the US 30 making a retracement down before pushing further up, or if it breaks the 38 we will then push towards this area and this area till 33,000, 32,500, the 61.8. This is for the sell. As for the buy, also we have a resistance here. بالنسبة للمبيع كان هيدا، أما بالنسبة للشروة we have this resistance here. We have, if we break, the next candle opens, makes a wick down and then push up, we will have the potential buy at this level. رح يكون عندنا منطقة الشروة تقريبا بهيدي المنطقة. So it will be 34180 34,180. stop loss هيدي بتكون 34,180. 34,180, 31,190 to TP1, 34,400 TP2, 34,590 TP3, and 34,900 will be the TP4, while the stop loss will be around 34,100. We go for gold. Gold yesterday, you had the sell. I deleted it while the live session we are doing. We had this sell from before. So trying to break down this one, but now we will update it, of course. Let's remove this. Why? Look at this divergence. It's very normal that the gold retrace a little bit. That's super normal. I have this support level now and this potential sell at this level. Always in this weekly overview, I give you the both direction of the market. I don't stick into one direction because we have to be like flexible with the market when it moves. Okay. So here, after this push up or this push up, now the next potential sell here, if it opens, makes a wick up, respecting the previous highs here, and then start to push down. Then we have the sell, it will be around like 1968 to the stop loss. Wait, 1968 to the stop loss around 1975. TP1 1967, TP2 the 38.2% that should retrace, which is 19. Let's put it 1957 to be on the safe side. TP3 will be 1943 and TP4 will be 1930. 1930, around the 50% retracement. And for the buy, if it opens, makes a wick down and start to push up back. Here we have the potential entrance here. After breaking all the sequence up, we have a clean traffic on the left. So the buy will start around here. It will start, let's remove this Fibonacci to have clearer view. The buy can start around 2021. Stop loss around 2020, the entry. Stop loss around 2014. 2021, the TP1, 2030 TP2, and 2040, there will be the TP3, while the TP4 breaking the full high will be around 2070. This is for the gold. We go for oil. Oil retracing as we expected. The last days, closing the gap also. Super predictable, the market technically. It broke here. Look how easy it was. It opened, made a wick up and start to break. This was Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. Since Monday, it broke 81.55 and then push up to close this gap. And I still believe that we should close all the gap. And that's why I go for this sell. So if it opens, makes a wick up and then start to push down. The next sell will be 76 74 76 74 المبيع بيكون لأنه سكر اوريدي الجاب ونزل بعد الردة سكر 3/4 76.70 stop loss around say 77 76.60 the TP1 76.05 TP2 75.30 TP3 and 74.17 TP4. While for the buy, I am still convinced that I need to wait this buy so it will be the same because it might retrace and then start to push down. So I'm not really confident unless we break this resistance area. So the buy, I will keep the same buy. You can see it in the weekly overview spreadsheet. Okay. شوفوها بالويكلي اوفر حاترك نفس الشروة ولكن غيرت البيعة. Bitcoin. That's why our system is one of the best and it applies to everything. Simply for the swing. Bitcoin. As you saw here, it pushed down, reversing, making reversal for the daily. This is the big support now, approaching from the big support. The sell now for me is here. Now, if at any point it opens, makes a wick up and continue down, breaking 26,460, it will be the sell. 26460 26,900 stop loss 26,100 TP1 25,500 TP2 24. Let's start the clean traffic. 23,500 TP3 and 20,200 will be the potential TP4. Breaking this support, كسرت هذا السبورت راح تعطيها مجال ومدى منيح. It will give the potential nice push down. We have a clean traffic. Let's see on the weekly also. This is the reversal weekly. Closing this week like this. Next week will be interesting. I'm not saying that it's done, it's going to go down. Be careful for what I'm saying. I'm saying that we have a big potential to push down. Look here, for example, it pushed down all the way and then it made a higher high. So we are still in the retracement here. And let's see, look, since 17,000 till almost 31,000, we doubled. People who were watching the weekly overview with us, they doubled their money from December till now, 4 months, 100%, almost 95%. As for the buy, I'm still waiting the same buy. Sell, we changed the same buy, breaking the high of the previous high. GJ. GJ. Also broke up first. Now we have this resistance here. This resistance. Let's see. If it opens now, makes a wick down and start to push up again, 168.10, 168.10 will be our entry. Stop loss around 167.65, 168. 20 TP1, 168.84 TP2, 169.85 TP3, and 171.19 TP4. Sorry, guys. Okay. Now, if it opens, makes a wick up, and then start to push down, also because daily we are already up, but that doesn't mean that it will push down for sure. Already لأنه طلعنا هون إذا فتحنا عملنا wick up and then نزلت, if it made a wick up and then push down, breaking this support here for this sell, 165.25, stop loss around 165.60, 15 TP1, 64.38 TP2, 63.20 TP4, and TP3, and I will go more aggressive from last week. 160.50 will be the TP4. Euro dollar, as you can see, it's working in a daily channel up direction. So look at this trend line. I can name it more like a trend line here. Low, higher, low, higher, low, higher, low, higher. Every time it's hitting this trend line, it's pushing more up. 109.88. So now also we can handle the same buy if it opens, makes a wick down, and then start to push up. We have this buy 1.10, 1.1010, stop loss 1.0990, 1.1020 TP1, 1.1060 1.1155 TP2, 1.1121 TP3, and 1.1180 will be the TP4 for the sell. As for the buy, sorry. As for the sell, we will handle this the same study. For this horizontal line, look how much support we have. like كم مرة عنا support هون. يعني now it's a support, but here it was resistance, 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 support, support, and here we are pushing down. If we break this trend line also, we push further down. So the sell can start. Yeah, it's the same like last week. We don't change anything from last week. It will be the same sell, the same entry, the same results. Okay. We have a stagnation during this week on the euro dollar. It stagnated during all the week. ضلوا عم بيتحرك تقريبا بنفس المطرح الأسبوع كله. So the buy and the sell are to go. Let's see what will happen. GBP USD. GBP USD. Also, on the daily chart, we are still here. We are expecting the GBP to continue down like yesterday. After it went up, it started to push down, reach almost 23.64, and the pattern showed like it was going to push down, but at the end it pushed up, back. We are back in the uncertainty for the GBP. We will keep holding the same sell, we'll keep holding the same buy, and we will see what will happen. We have this high, and هذا الهاي, we have this resistance. So if it push up and start to break up, it will be the push. If it opens, makes it up, and then start to push down again, closing. But we need 1 day close, okay? And a daily close should be done. Daily close for the up should be done. And Tuesday, it will be the best entry for the GBP USD because we are pure in the middle. So if tomorrow on Monday, the candle start to push up all the day, and then at the end of the day close here, we cannot take the buy. If it start to push down and close here, we cannot take the sell. We need to wait a confirmation. Next day, even it opens, makes a wick up, and then pushing down, we go for the sell. Or if Monday went up and then Tuesday it opens, makes a wick down, and then push up, ساعتها بناخدها. Then we take it. So بدنا ننتبه ننطر تأكيد لهيدي التريد. مبدئيا التنين لا تلاتة مفروض تكون عم تتاخد إذا كانت سكرت يا على قريبة على resistance أو سكرت قريبة على support. Okay, so AUD USD also very, very, very weak. Very weak. The last week, except the gold, oil, and يعني, most of the trade weren't really moving. Here also the AUD USD, most of the pairs, it was a very, very low volatility week. Yes, last week. So I will keep the same buy, I will keep the same sell, waiting for this stagnation phase to be done. So we can gain back momentum, like you can see here before, like you can see here. This is pure stagnation, so we are still waiting. NZD USD also in the middle, waiting for a break. It's still pushing down. It seems like soon it will get to a lower level. Might reach this support, so it can be a good option. رح نترك نفس الشروي ونفس البيع. We'll keep the same buy and same sell. USD CH like last week, like the last weekly overview. Here you can see the USD CHF. It started to push up during the first day of the week. It was super amazing, and then pop, it stagnated again, and we are back in this zone. Now we have a broader, we have a new resistance. Look, this support, and it push up this resistance. So now if it breaks, if it opens, makes a wick down and start to push up, breaking 0.9010, it will be the buy. Stop loss 0.8985, 20 TP1, 90.75 TP2, 91.55 TP3, and 93.28 TP4, the full push up for this move down. It will be like around here, Fibonacci 74. Let's put the TP4 here around 0.9285. Okay, 92.85. This will be the TP4. Here, the TP1 will be 90.20. 90.75 will be the TP2. TP3 91.40, and TP4, let's put it 61.8, 0.9210. Okay, forget about this, 0.9210. Okay, and for the sell, we'll keep hope for the move down, open, makes a look up, and then starting to push down, breaking this low, the previous low. So the sell will be the same like last week. السعر راح بيكون هو ذاته مثل الأسبوع الماضي. Nothing will change. USD CAD was our biggest winner last week for the currencies. Here we had a divergence, عمل divergence, it broke here. CCI percentage R open. The buy took the buy on Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday, hit the high. So now what should we expect? Now we are here. We might have two options. Even it will go down to make inverted head and shoulder. We'll draw these scenarios. Look, 1, 2, here. Then it start to push up. And we might have another big push up here. Yeah, for the US dollar against the Canadian, the Canadian is getting weaker. So we will see what will happen. This will be a nice option, inverted head and shoulder after all this move down. At the same time, see, if we hold this, we continue this push, the 4-hour, I think we should see some retracement. Personally, it was a big push up, like almost USD CAD pushed 250 pips, 230 pips one way. On the daily also, all green candles. Let's say if it opens, makes a wick down and start to push up, then you can have the buy option from this level. This means that the dollar is getting stronger and the Canadian dollar, the US dollar getting stronger, Canadian dollar getting weaker. 135.69, stop loss 135.42, 79 TP1, 36.27 TP2, 37 TP3, and 37.70 TP4. As for the sell, we'll have a retracement on Fibonacci here, from here till here. Look, 38, yes, 61. So the sell, it should be here at the low. Yeah, the sell, we need to push further down or more down to break this support. I will keep the same sell. هلا, if you want to go to the lower time frame sell for a better trade idea, this is confusing. We have diversions on the fun of 1 hour and 4 hours. It seems like giving a potential reversal. We need to break down. This will be risky, guys. Okay, this will be risky, I'm telling you. But if we break the sequence of low, higher, 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 low, but we need double confirmation. We might have a potential sell here. We can try it, no problem in it. Like the sell can be 1.3520, stop loss around 1.35 or 50, 45, 25, 35 TP1. One second. Okay. 3510 will be the TP1. 35. Here we use the Fibonacci for all this move up. 35. 3470, the TP2. 34. 33, the TP3. And 3402 or 05, the TP4. This is it, guys. This is it, guys. This is it for the weekly overview. هيدي هي الweekly overview. We have opportunities this week. Hopefully, we'll have the best trade. We have the good volume, so we can hit the maximum trade that we can. Don't forget. Always remember to focus on 2 to 3 pairs mainly. Once you get good in these 2 to 3 pairs for the next 6 months, you can move to other يعني plus 2 pairs. يعني دايما تذكروا ركزوا على 2 3 pairs من بعدها لما بتتمكنوا منهم ل3 أو 6 أشهر تصيروا فاهمينهم حافظينهم فيكم تزيدوا بير أو 2 لحتى تكونوا عم تعملوها. بيهمني أنا من الويكلي أوفيو تكونوا عم تتعلموا what really cares here in the weekly overview to build this conscious in the future to understand how these pairs are working. And with the weekly overview, I will be helping you to make your studies on these pairs at the same time getting the confirmation from my side. Okay, thank you so much. See you tomorrow in the update for the weekly overview, the main pairs, which are always the euro dollar, GBP USD, GBP JPY, gold, gold, oil, and Dow Jones. See you.